I love it. John, final fun question for you. It's kind of a two-parter. Why do you love being a cyber professional and why should someone get into our world?
I love hard problems. I mean, near impossible problems. Maybe the most untrained eye an impossible problem to deal with. And in cyber, we're up against an adversary that continues to throw impossible problems at it. And we continue to figure out ways to counter those. Just the battle space is changing and accelerating, where I'm always an inventor of new and novel approaches. That's just the way I'm wired. I challenge the existing and try to come up with new and novel approaches to deal with new and novel attackers' approaches, and innovate at the pace of the adversary. So that's a thrill to me. I think if you are afraid of that reality and you like to work in a constant world, this is not your spot. This is someone that embraces change, knows change is the only constant in this industry, and it's going to accelerate. And that's going to require cultural change, changing the way you operate, changing your priorities, changing your roles. And people have to embrace that. This is not an industry for the faint of heart. It's for the people who want to go fight, on this amorphous, accelerating, more challenging battle space. And it's not for everybody.